from the garden. You know, gardening, it's a great form of exercise.
Yes.
It's wonderful for your mental health and well-being.
Agreed.
Spending time outside.
And you could get the whole family involved.
Get the family involved. Have fun. It's so rewarding when you can grow your own food as well.
Yeah.
So herbs here, of course, all of your staples, basil, parsley, cilantro, lavender, rosemary. Don't forget your fertilizers, our full line from Espoma. These are organic. And I put some fun things there on the corner for us. Little Miss Figgy in the front. That's a compact fig. Great in containers.
Wow.
Blackberries and a champanelle grape.
Oh, this is so good. You know, any opportunity to get outside and connect with nature in any way, but to grow something, you feel a sense of intention and just, wow, look what I was able to do for myself and my family. And it's beautiful and healthy.
Yes. It looks healthy.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you, Jennifer.
welcome.
Yeah,
Yes,
so great to have you.
If you're in Texas, visit Calloway's Nursery. We have 22 locations in Dallas-Fort Worth, one outside of Austin and Cedar Park, and in the Houston area and Galveston. Come visit us at Cornelius Nursery.
Oh, I used to see you there at Cornelius.
Oh,
yes, back in
wonderful.
Houston. Yes. Thank you
so much. Well, still to come.